Hey, Mike, the marketing medic here. And today what I want to talk about is understanding Facebook, getting right inside their head, understanding where they're coming from, understanding what they want to accomplish. What does Facebook want to accomplish? Nothing short of world domination. That is what they want. They want every single person on the planet on their platform 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That is their goal. And until they achieve that goal, they're going to keep pushing forward. Okay. And how are they going to accomplish that goal? They're going to accomplish that goal by providing their users with a positive user experience. And this is what you need to keep in mind when you are creating ads for Facebook. They need to be positive ads. Facebook doesn't want to see any negativity on there. People are on Facebook. They are procrastinating. They are wasting time. They are trying to escape from their life. They don't want to be reminded of their problems. So let's say you have a weight loss product where you can help people lose 10, 20, 50 pounds a week with no diet or exercise, right? That's an awesome product. But Facebook does not want you reminding their audience that they are fat. Again, they are on Facebook to escape the problems of their life. They don't want to be reminded of them. So that's why you don't want to use the word. That's why Facebook won't allow you to use the word fat. That's why Facebook won't allow you to say something like lose weight, because people don't want to be reminded that they need to lose weight. All right. So along those lines, you need to keep positive. You need to talk about improved health, more energy, things along those lines. Stay on the positive. Don't go to the negative side of things. Next thing I want you to understand is how ads work. So we're going to grow our businesses with cold traffic. But here's the problem with cold traffic from the Facebook perspective is if I'm running an ad to cold traffic, that means those people have never seen me before. So there's a very high likelihood that they're not interested in my ad. If they've never seen me before, never heard of me before, they have no trust in me, they don't like me, they're probably not going to click on my ad. So those ads are a disturbance to those people, okay? Even if my ad is positive, even if it's a good ad, it's completely compliant, it's still a disturbance, okay? So I'm going to pay a little bit more for getting in front of that cold traffic. And this is where the retargeting comes in. If you can build a warm audience on Facebook and target them, guess what? You're going to pay less per click. You're going to pay less per 1,000 impressions. And here's why. The reason is because it's a warm audience now. People do know who you are. They have clicked on your ads before. They have raised their hand and said that they either know you or they like you or they trust you, okay? So when they see your ad the next time, they're not going to be as irked as when they saw it the first time, okay? So that's why it's really important for you when you're building your cold audience out is to convert them as fast as possible into a warm audience. If you want to know how to do that, then I recommend you use something called Facebook Tag, Targeted Audience Growth. And guess what? I've got a course for that. If you want to check it out, just go to the website link that is, I'm going to put it right up there. It's probably down there. It won't be there or there, but it'll be there or there. Click on that, check that out, learn how you can attract a cold audience while selling to them, and at the same time building your audience, building your warm list, resulting in a better user experience for the Facebook users and resulting in more conversions, more sales, and a bigger following for yourself. All right, guys, I hope you found that interesting and insightful, and I will see you on our next video. All right, talk to you then. Bye-bye.